Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to block calls on the Messenger app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app. And once you open your Messenger app, you will end up in this kind of interface. Now select a person or a group and simply tap hold on it. And tap on the mute option and select the mute call notifications. After you do so, you can select the timing of till when you want to mute or block the call notifications. Once you set the time as well, even though the person calls you, you won't be getting any of the notifications or any of the ways the person can call you. So this is how you block call on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.